Namaste, Khusro Bhatia. Today's topic is PT management in the burn and skin graft. Rehabilitation is an essential and integral part of the burn treatment. It is not something which takes place following healing of skin graft or discharge from hospital. Instead, it is a process that starts from day one of admission and continue for months and something year after the initial event. Burn rehabilitation is not something which is complete by one or two individuals but should be a team approach incorporating the patient and when appropriate their family. The term burn rehabilitation incorporates the physical, psychological and social aspect of care, and it is common for burn patients to experience difficulties in one or all of these areas. Following a burn injury, burn can leave a patient with severely debilitating and deforming contracture, which can lead to significant disability when left untreated. The aim of burn rehabilitation are to minimize the adverse effect caused by the injury in terms of maintaining range of movement, minimizing contracture development and impact of scarring, maximizing functional ability, maximizing psychological well-being, or maximizing social integration. The rehabilitation for patients with burn injury start from date of injury, lasting for several years and require multidisciplinary effort. Comprehensive rehabilitation program is essential to decrease patient post-traumatic effect and improve functional independence. However, while optimal treatment provision involve a multidisciplinary team approach, when it is not possible or when availability or therapist and support service are limited. Stage of rehabilitation. Rehabilitation of burn patient is continuous affecting therapy starting for admission. There should no delineating between an acute phase and rehabilitation phase. This idea can promote the inequality of a secondary disjointed scar management and functioning rehabilitation team. However, for the usual following pathway of patient care, the stage of rehabilitation have been divided into early stage, later stage of rehabilitation. Although it must be understood that there may be significant crossover between the two stages depending on the individual patient. Early stage rehabilitation. Depending on the size and severity of the injury, the patient age, and other pre-morbid factors, this stage can last from a few days to several months. The patient may be an inpatient or may be treated as an outpatient and is likely to undergoing regular dressing changes, which are often painful and may also be a very frightening experience for the patient. Regular pain relief is essential, in particular prior to all intervention such as change of dressing and exercise. This need to be given an adequate time to take effect before commencing the procedure. The aim of analgesic drugs should do be develop a good baseline pain control to allow functional movement and activity of daily living to occur at any time during the day. Inadequate pain relief in early stage can result in complete reluctance of the patient to participate in the rehabilitation in both the short and long term. Thank you.